Good afternoon. It's looking like nice and bright and blue skies right now out there in Fargo and other parts of the Southern Valley. We had a quick little bout of snow move through this morning and then we cleared out. Other places under the clouds and seeing some snow right now. So that's something that we're going to have to be focused on for today. But we do want to look ahead at what's coming our way quickly here. We're looking at a winter storm watch that's been issued for eastern North Dakota and many of our viewers along the state line in Minnesota as well. You can see that winter storm watch is Tuesday night, especially overnight through Wednesday, for some strong winds and blowing snow. And I hate to say it, but if we get those winds that are strong enough, we're looking at blizzard conditions being possible. And we'll get more into that coming up here in just a bit. We want to focus on what's going on right now, though. We've got some cloud cover overhead that is still hanging around in the Grand Forks area, Southern Valley. We don't see a lot of movement here. That's where we're looking at the snowpack. So not really much for clouds in the south. Looking upstream, up toward the Minot area, you can see some snow showing up there right along the border, and that's trying to work its way south and eastward. So we're going to watch out for that as we continue through the day today. And here's a look at our visibility reports. We're down to a mile in Langdon. Other places, Cavalier, Candu, also reporting some lowering in visibility, indicating a little bit of snow in that area. Temperatures mainly in the 20s right now. It's 25 degrees in Fargo and 24 in Grand Forks. Our conditions are going to be on the breezy side. You could see out west the winds have picked up. We're looking at some speeds and some gusts into the 20s there, and that will make it feel colder than it is out there. But at the same time, we start getting those gusts into the 20s. That might cause some minor drifting across some of those roadways as we head into the afternoon. So here's a look at our hour-by-hour planner for today. Expect a little bit more sunshine in southeastern North Dakota. We've been seeing that this morning, and then more cloud cover up to the north and east. And then we've got that area of snow and clouds trying to drop in. So there's that potential for more clouds to develop in the south and the potential still for a spotty snow shower or two. The greatest threat will be up in the northern valley, especially along the Canadian border. And as we move through time into the afternoon, that will shift more into Minnesota. Our temperatures are going to range basically where they are right now, some low to upper 20s for your highs for today. So keeping things a little bit more on the mostly cloudy side heading into tonight. Still some pockets of light snow lingering, but generally speaking, once we get into the late night hours, that system moves on and we quiet things down for the time being for us here today. Now, taking a look at your hour-by-hour planner as we head into tomorrow. Now, things are going to be fine during the morning hours and even into the afternoon, but notice what's happening up along the Canadian border here. We've got some snow moving in at 10 o'clock tomorrow night, and that just will continue to drop southward. So this is overnight Tuesday night, continuing into Wednesday morning. This is 5 a.m. where I've paused our clock. Heading into the 8 o'clock hour, that snow continues to advance southward. And check out all these arrows that are moving from north to south. That's a sign of the wind gusts we're going to be dealing with. And that's the biggest concern here. Of course, fresh snow is going to get picked up and blown around, but even snow on the ground could get picked up with this wind. And that's why we're concerned about the potential for a blizzard or a ground blizzard coming up for the day for Wednesday. Even as that snow departs into the noon hour on Wednesday, we're still getting those intense winds at that point in time. So this will continue through the day. Snowfall totals for this event right now, we're looking at about 1 inch to 3 inches of snow. So again, not a heavy snow producer, but still extra snow on top of that wind. And then here's a look at our 7-day planner. Once this clears, it's going to be a lot colder on Thursday. We've got Arctic air taking over with highs that may end up being below zero for your Valentine's Day. Warming back up a little bit, but it may be a little chilly, and we have to watch out for some snow. And yet again, wind with the one on Friday into Saturday as well. So we're kind of entering a windy week here this week. And even today, 20-mile-per-hour speeds, that can be cold, and it might cause a little drifting.
All right. Thank you, Lisa. Straight ahead.